Gaur Prananandi.
Bhaktivedanta Thakur used to worship Gaur Gadadhar deities, didn't he? Bhaktivedanta Thakur, he used to worship Gaur Gadadhar deities?
Yeah, to put with Radha Krishna in one temple, in one altar, Gaura, you may put Gadadhar, you cannot put Nityananda with him.
No.
Isn't it? With Radha Krishna in our temples, we never worship Radha Krishna without Gaura.
Yes.
Gaura must be there. That is Gauriya temple. If there is no Gaura, only Radha Krishna, you must understand this is not Gaudiya temple. This is Gaudiya Dhara. You understand? So Gaura must be there with Radha Krishna. That is the process. Because without the mercy of Gaura, we cannot approach Radha Krishna. That is the process. That is the Siddhanta, Tattva. So in all our temples, if there is Radha Krishna, there must be Gaura. And if you want to put somebody else with Gaura, then Gadadhar must be there. Nobody else will be there. With one altar, Radha Krishna and Gaur Gadadhar, not Gaur Nityananda. Either alone Gaura or Gaur Gadadhar. With
Gaur Nitai or Gaur...
No. Gaur Gadadhar with Radha Krishna. With single Gaura or Gaur Gadadhar with Radha Krishna. Put single Gaura or Gaur Gadadhar with Radha Krishna. Not Gaur Nitai with Radha Krishna. Separate altar. If you put Gaur Nitai, then make separate altar. Complete separate altar. Yes. Not in the same altar. Yes.
We're going to have just single Gaur here on the Radha Krishna thing.
Here, here. Radha Gopinath, single Gaura here. Yes. Yes.
That worship of Gaur Gadadhar deities like Bhaktivedanta Thakur did, that's very, what do you say, rustic or...
Yes, worships Gaur Gadadhar with Radha Krishna. Not only Gaur Gadadhar. But on this, what is that? Bhaktivedanta Thakur worships Radha Krishna with Gaur Gadadhar. Yes.
On the same altar, they can do it.
Same altar. It's on the same altar. Yes. Single Gaura or Gaur Gadadhar, same altar with Radha Krishna. Yes.
Is Gaura in a different mood when he's in that form?
No. Mood is always that same mood. Krishna, I say. Huh? Do you understand? I say, Gadadhar, where is Krishna? Huh? Gadadhar says, in your heart. Start it. To tear open the heart with the nails. Huh? Then Gadadhar Pandit immediately got hold of his hand and stopped. He cried, no, leave my hand. I cannot survive without seeing Krishna. I want to see. Then Gadadhar couldn't think of what he'll say. And so wait, be patient, Krishna will just now come, it's coming, timing, and this time has now arrived, that will just now come. You see, Gadadhar pacified him, you see. Is the mood is same? Do you understand? The mood is same. It's crying for Krishna. Mood is same. Yes, then
How can we understand it then? There's some rasa. Something is different.
the mood is same. You see this lila? I described. Mahaprabhu is crying, or Sundar is crying for Krishna, and Gadadhar is there. Gadadhar is there. Isn't it? Mahaprabhu is speaking about Krishna, narrating Krishna Lila inside the room. Gadadhar was crying. Yes. Mahaprabhu said, Who is crying? Then Suklambar Brahmacharya says, you're Gadadhar. Oh, Gadadhar, you are so fortunate. From such tender age, you have developed so much love for Krishna. Whereas I have not developed, I have not so. Yes, I'm very, very unfortunate, I'm very, very unfortunate. My life is completely spoiled, spoiled, spoiled. It is my bad fortune, bad karma. Mahaprabhu said, you see? Mood is the same. Nobody can understand.